tomorrow is the day when Reggae Boyz coach Steve McLaren, at his 4th attempt, looked to get a major monkey off his back to get his first win at the National Stadium. And it's all well and good for everyone to say, let us all go to the stadium and support the team in our national colors and blah, blah, blah. But guess what? Coach McLaren and the Reggae Boyz need to understand that Jamaica's support for the national team is like a partnership or like a round robin. One hand wash the other. So if the Reggae Boyz and Coach McLaren want to maximize the support from the Jamaican fans at home, the boys have to deliver some winning performances, preferably some impressive winning performances. Whenever the team starts to deliver, stadium can't hold. Mr. Stadium cannot hold. So what better time and what better place for Coach McLaren and the boys to deliver than tomorrow at the National Stadium against Guatemala?